So how can you make your Apple Watch lock every time? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, in order for the Apple Watch to be locked to begin with, you need to have the passcode set up for it, and you can find it inside of the Watch app on the paired iPhone, where you can find the passcode section, right? So you turn on the passcode. But the point is that obviously your Apple Watch needs to be unlocked every time you put it on your wrist. But if you want to make sure that it locks every time, when you flick your wrist to be able to make you type in the passcode, make sure that the wrist detection is turned off at the bottom, right? So you can see the wrist detection knows, or it informs the Apple Watch that you wear it on your wrist, and therefore it will not ask you the passcode every time. But if you want it to be asked for the code, make sure that the wrist detection is turned off, so your passcode will be prompted to be typed right every single time. You can see a little description there. So if you're using a passcode, wrist detection locks your watch when you're not wearing it, so your information stays secure. So that's how you decide, or these are the options that you get to pick from. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well.